Now let's talk about these lashes. Let's talk about these lenses. Look at me today. Look at me. Alright, y'all. Let me move back some. So, y'all saw all the colors and what they look like on dark eyes. Sorry if y'all hear my phone. It's been blowing up. But, yeah. Y'all seen the packaging. This is the packaging here. This is what they look like. And this is the Pearl Edition. And these are made in Korea. So, if y'all are having an issue, because I know somebody who had purchased some lenses said that it took a while to get to her. You guys gotta remember that they are coming from China, Korea. So it will take a while to get to you. So just be patient. It is worth it. I mean, look at Pearl Purple. Come on. You could wait for these. You could wait for these. You could wait for these, okay? But that's what the packaging look like on the inside. I don't know if y'all can see those letterings there, but that is the care instructions on how to take care of them. And as I said, these are non-prescription, but they also have prescriptions. So if you need prescriptions, all you have to do is let them know what your prescription is and the color you want, and they will send it to you. I will have the pricing and the links for each individual lens down below in the description box, as well as my discount code. I will have my discount code also down below. So how y'all feeling about these lenses though? How y'all feeling about these lenses? Because colorcl is doing a thing, y'all. They doing a thing. They affordable. They got variety of shades, colors, prescription, non-prescription that you could think of. So buy y'all some lenses. Okay. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys click on the code down below. Well, click on the link down below and use my code for some lenses, okay? Because y'all will be seeing more. So click the link, use my code, save some coin, okay? Yes. But anyway, I am your girl Shay, and thank you for watching Glamplified Beauty. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, see ya in my next video.
These couple girls don't cry after the face of night, but